told that during photosynthesis, green plants convert water and carbon dioxide into glucose, C6H12O6, and oxygen. And we are asked to determine the molar mass of glucose. So that is the mass of 1 mole of the substance. So to calculate the molar mass, all we need is the formula and a periodic table. So on the periodic table, we find the molar mass in units of grams per mole of every element. So I'm going to round to the 100th place just for ease, but carbon has a molar mass of 12.01 grams per mole, hydrogen 1.01 gram per mole, and oxygen 16 grams per mole. So when we calculate the molar mass of a chemical, we always write it out in this format: 1 mole, and then the formula of the chemical, in this case C6H12O6, is equal to however many grams of that chemical, C6H12O6. So to figure out how many grams, we look at the formula and the periodic table. So I separate it element by element and just go from left to right according to the chemical formula. So for carbon, there are 6 moles of carbon in 1 mole of glucose. So I take 6 and I multiply it by the molar mass of carbon, 12.01 grams, and that gives me a total of 72.06 grams. In a mole of glucose, there are 12 moles of hydrogen, so 12 multiplied by 1.01 gram, again, this is the molar mass in the periodic table, that equals 12.12 grams. For oxygen, in a mole of glucose, there are 6 moles of oxygen, and I multiply that by the molar mass of oxygen, as found on the periodic table, and I get a total of 96, because 6 times 16 is 96. The units for all of these masses are grams. So I sum 72.06 plus 12.12 plus 96.00, all units of grams, and I end up with 180.18. So that's how we calculate the molar mass. So 1 mole of glucose is equal to 180.18 grams of glucose.